Hey everyone, if you want to apply for a job and need a professional cover letter using Kickresume, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a cover letter in Kickresume in 2026. First, go to Kickresume and sign in. You can use Google or email to access your account quickly. Next, open the cover letter section. This is where you can create a professional job application letter. Now choose a clean and professional template. Keep it simple, formal, and easy to read for employers. Next, add your personal details and the employer's information. Include the company name, hiring manager, and job title. Start your cover letter with a short introduction. Mention the job you are applying for and why you are interested in it. Then explain your skills and experience. Show how your background makes you a strong candidate for the job. Finally, write a strong closing statement. Thank the employer and mention that you are looking forward to an interview. So yeah, that's how you create a cover letter in Kickresume. Follow each step carefully and you can apply for jobs more professionally and increase your chances of getting hired. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.